আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সকল ইউটিউব দর্শকদের সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। আজকের এপিসোড আমার আপনার সবার খুব ফেভারিট কলমকারি, হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড কলমকারি, এবং আজকে আমি কিছু অসাধারণ কলমকারি দেখাবো স্পেশালি বিদর্ভার ওপর, যেটা আপনারা অনেকে ওয়েট করে আছেন। আমি প্রত্যেকটা এপিসোডে আমি ভীষণ বকা খাই, স্পেশালি এই এপিসোডে, কারণ আমি জানি একটা করে শাড়ি, দুটো তিনটে করে ফোনে বুকিং হচ্ছে আর শাড়ি একটা করে, মানে সুতরাং আমি আজকে আপনারা দেখতে থাকুন। আমি আজকে প্রচুর শাড়ি দেখাবো বিদর্ভায়। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, এটা কিন্তু কালাহাস্তির হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড কলমকারি, পুরো নিপ কলমকারি যেটা বলা হয়, একদম কালাহাস্তির, যেটা আমাদের দুধে ধোয়া হয়, মাল্টিপল ওয়াশেস, হ্যান্ড পেইন্টিং, সমস্ত পিওর টাসারের ওপর হ্যান্ড পেইন্টেড কলমকারি। এগুলো কিন্তু ম্যাট ফিনিশ হয়। দিজ আর ইউজুয়ালি ভেরি ম্যাট লুক, দিজ হ্যাভ ভেরি ম্যাট লুক, বাট দিজ আর ভেরি ভেরি traditional sari, and these are absolutely, it takes a lot of process. There are many processes to bring about these products. The end product, before the end product, there are more than 18 procedures that needs to be followed for this particular product. 12,500 Kalahasti hand painted kalamkari, product number 1, pure tussar. I will show you just check out the woven border. This is a pure tussar woven border with hand paint. I can still get the smell. It's all organic colors, and this is the natural color blouse piece. It's a beautiful piece, fully painted and all freehand. Just because these are freehand, each of the product there will be smudges and there will be spots. So that is not a defect of kalamkari, that is the effect of kalamkari, to show that these are not screen or block printed. These are absolutely freehand painting. So this is product number 1, pure hand painted, pure tussar hand painted kalamkari. See the pallu. Once again I'll show you the pallu part. It's a beautiful peacock pallu. So this is product number 1. Product number 2, similar sari in a different color. It's in rust tone, rich, gorgeous, and these are traditional stuffs, so it's a must in every wardrobe. Woven border, 12,500 rupees. This is the blouse piece. So in rust and mustard blue color combination, hand painted tussar kalamkari. Number 3, zari border tussar kalamkari, black. It's not black actually, it's a charcoal black. It's a grayish black color, slate color, very dark tone gray color, with this pallu, zari woven pallu. This zari border is looking very rich because it's a copperish gold color zari. Hence with this painting, this border is going very well with the mustard leaf tone. And with this sari you will get a similar gold color blouse piece which will match along with the pallu. See the sari, it's very rich, and this is the lovely blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. product number 3. Now coming to Tussar hand painted in organic colors but not milk washed, hence the range is much cheaper, but these are also hand painted kalamkari. Same Tussar. See the colors. For 8,990 rupees, 8990. Lighter shade, cream and olive combination with olive blouse. This is the painted blouse in the back and the sleeves with zari woven border. Again, all single piece. So if you're sure you're buying it, only then please book the products. All single piece creation and all hand painted. Product number 4, 8,990 rupees. Product number 4. Now product number 5. Gorgeous bright color in cream and rust florals. See the lovely painting, all freehand and all, you know, it's actually an artist's credit. It's best to leave the artist the way he does it, not to dictate terms except for the colors that you want. I can always convey that to my artist that this is the colors that my customers are wanting. So that's the way he just keeps them in mind, and that's the way he creates these beauties. Shaded in the pleats. The body part is fully painted. This is the pallu, zari woven pallu. You will love this episode. Each sari is very well done, and this is the blouse piece. Will have running blouse with the this is the, just a minute, thread. So this is the blouse and this is the back and the sleeves. It has running blouse with back and sleeves painted. Very pretty. So these were a few light colors. I'll show more light colors. Actually today all the saris are very well, very uniquely done. You will like all the, little different than what I have been showing in the previous episodes. See, this is in aqua color with light mehendi. The first half will be throughout painting. Here is the pleat, the rich peacock pleat. And from the pleats come the shading. And this color is neither sky not, it's a beautiful unique tone. This is the blouse piece. This is running blouse with the back and the sleeves painted. Very pretty looking sari. I love the color actually. And even the style, the way the front part, see this leher style, and all you can understand, these are all freehand with these nib outlines and with this beautiful peacock pallu. 8990, product number 6, now 7. So see, I've kept all your requests in mind. You all wanted little lighter shades also, the natural colors, so I've done, these are all in lighter tones also. See how beautiful this is. Upper part narrow, the lower part with the florals, and the mustard and the grey, how rich this is looking. You can wear your lovely jewelry with this. This is the pallu, number 7, 8990, and it's beautiful. It's a delight to show these kind of saris also. These are all mood boosters, and these, we feel good also to show these, because there's a story behind every piece. Maybe this is an artist's mind, so I think we should all appreciate these painted and handwork products in sustainable fabric like these pure tussars. See the blouse piece. Beautiful piece. As I said, you will love this episode. 107, product number 78990. Product number 8. Now after this episode, I want to take a break from kalamkari, because these artists of mine, they cannot do anything other than these, they've been constantly into these kalamkari paintings. Though I know you all are loving it, but I want to take a break from this, so maybe of next few episodes I'll not be showing kalamkari so frequently, so those of whoever wants to book them can't block them from this episode. 8990. I'll just show you the pallu once again. See the peacock, the big peacock in the pallu. All first come first serve basis. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. Once I confirm you, I will give you the business account. This is the blouse piece. Business account number, bank details. After payment, the product will be couriered. These are all ready to ship. This is the sari in slate color. Slate and Firoza. See, this is also a lovely combination with this touch of magenta. Number 9. Almost alternate week I'm showing, almost I think after 4-5 episodes there's a kalamkari episode that I've shown. See this painting. In store also we have lot of stock in kalamkari, so please visit. Both the branches are open now. 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. 8990 for this product. 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Sundays open, Sundays close, Sundays close, Monday to Saturday. We are open every day, so please visit for more collection. See this color combination. If you are liking the products, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can always recommend your friends who are all sari lovers. We have only 2 branches and we are not supplying to any resellers or any groups. This is the blouse piece. Because many of these photos of mine are circulating in many groups. My photos with the products circulating in many groups claiming them to be theirs, but no, we are not. We don't have these products. I want to give to my customers who are viewers who are waiting. There is a time difference internationally, so they are waiting so long for these products. So I don't want to make it too common, since all these, maybe kalamkar I am showing so many, but each is different from each other. See the pallu, narrow border, moss green color, tone on tone combination. Number 10, 8990, product number 10. This is a lovely piece, very unique, especially with this dye ending at that natural color coming out in between the paint and the dye, that is making it so unique. Especially this part, see, very beautiful. The blouse piece, so absolute rich color combination. See the pallu also. Product number 10. Now even the my saree I'll tell you later. First you can check out the mannequin wearing. See, the mannequin is also wearing a 8,990 rupees pure tussar with kalamkari hand painting. See the peacock, 8,990 in mustard. This is also a very pretty saree. Lovely piece with similar blouse piece, and the jewelry is also available. You can check out more collections of jewelry in our album Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, album jewelry album. This jewelry it comes along with the neck piece. Comes along with the jhumka. This is the jhumka. It's a layered polki neck piece which comes along with this beautiful polki earring set. This set which I was talking of, it's 2,990 rupees, and the one that I'm wearing, this neck piece, is 2,000 rupees, and the earring that I'm wearing, this jhumka, the Victorian antique jhumka, this is 1,850 rupees. 1,850 for the jhumka, and the neck piece layered mala, it's 2,000 rupees. Now coming to sarees again. Product number 11. These are all earthy tones, but the colors and the painting, the pallu, just see, I mean I'll not, you can understand how beautiful these are, these paintings today. All in shading. Very pretty. See this peacock, the colors, how lovely the colors have come out to be. See the pair of peacock. He's really worked hard. This is the blouse piece. This blouse piece is woven. It's a self-woven blouse piece. And this is he's worked hard on the sari, so he's left the blouse piece plain. 8,990. Okay, I can excuse him for that. Now number 12. Black and grey. This is another lovely sari. So as I said, today's program will be a feast for the eyes. I mean, even I'm enjoying showing you each and every product. Black and grey shaded, hand painted pure tussar kalamkari in zari woven border, and price only 8,890 rupees. See the painting. Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, the link is already provided along with the Instagram link. This is the blouse piece. Today I'll not be showing you the Leheriya with kalamkari because I've been showing that in the previous bandhej episode also. Now this is also a very unique color in moss green and black and grey. First let me show you the pallu. This is the pallu. The body. See the border, alternate color black and moss. Once I drape it, you can understand the pattern. With blouse piece, this is the blouse piece, painted blouse piece in the back and sleeves. Now here you can understand the alternate concept of black and moss green. Black moss green will be in the pleat, alternate way. Very smart looking sari. Number 14. Midnight blue. Here comes the pallu. I'm sure you can understand how the painting starts. From the pallu, the peacock or these vases or vase of flowers, see, this is beautiful. And then comes the floral motif and then the dye part. Though all are not the same, this is particularly for this sari. We've got around 5 artists working for us and all working with us for many years. This is the blouse piece. $8990. Woven tussar, number 15, coffee color, woven border, coffee and black. Product number 15, coffee and black. See the blouse piece. Let me show you the blouse piece. It's in dark chocolate color, dark coffee with painting, and the body is in this way. Lavender but dusty mauve with light military green. Just see the combinations. I've got really no words to say. After the episode, I must thank him. These artists, all my artists, for creating such beauty. And this is, I'm opening it in front of you only. I just saw the raw products and these have just been polished and come. The blouse piece. bottle green and mustard. This is with the woven border, woven tussar border, and running blouse, of course, with the painted back and the sleeves. So this way I'm holding now, you can understand the shading. Check out our Kalamkari album in the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, Kalamkari album, for the still pictures of these. Black and red. All flat rate 8,990 rupees. Blouse. Peach. Very soothing color combination, very sober. Very fresh color. Olive blouse, contrast. The pallu, let me show you. Coming to Vidarbha, 10,500, 10,500. It's a burgundy color with pinkish peach. 10,500 Sambalpuri pallu, all hand woven tussar from Orissa. You can see these are all Sambalpuri weaving with blouse piece. Woven blouse, I have not done anything in the blouse. This is the sari. $10,500. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. This is in moss green and maroon. The temple woven, it's part of the sari. 10,500. See the Sambalpuri pallu. fully woven with hand painting. Woven blouse piece in maroon color, so it's a dark maroon and moss green color combination. See this color, viridian green with rustish maroon. This is going well with my blouse also, but the sari itself has a Sambalpuri ikat blouse piece, all woven. All these Vidarbha and Sambalpuri saris, the blouse pieces are not done anything. It's a natural woven blouse piece from Orissa, and this is the sari. And the pallu part is also woven, and the blouse is also woven. The border is also woven. Chocolate, body painting, 10,500. Blouse piece, very uncommon color combination. Woven pallu, 10,500. Very unique combination. With royal blue, ink blue blouse. This is also very uncommon with navy border, Vidarbha, 10,900. The pallu, blouse piece, $10,900. All very uncommon and very rare shades. Mustard and onion mauvish color, brownish mauve. 10,900. Mustard blouse, mustard pallu with the painting. This is 10,900, correct? So I hope today I will not get any complaints, because I've shown you many saris in Vidarbha for the first time in all these episodes. I had promised that these stocks were coming. See, this is a beautiful shade also, mustard and a sea green, emerald green color. $10,900. Beautiful shade. And here goes the blouse piece, sea green blouse piece. And the last that I am wearing, peach color, peach pink combination. With the same, this color blouse piece with the border, 10,900. So these are all available at the moment. So quickly do the booking. Happy shopping. Namaskar.